Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing Mark Anastasio's hair from TikTok. I've been getting lots of requests for it for a long time, so I'm finally getting to do it. So watch the video, follow along, then I'll break it down at the end. All right, everyone, so I'm going to break down the video for you guys and the haircut. So what I did is I started in the back with a number 4 guard, and I worked all the way up throughout the sides and the back right through here, and then everything else I did by hand where I blended it in slightly right in through here. There's no disconnection at all. The entire haircut is all blended in right in through here. As you can see, the back is probably about 1.5 to 2 inches long. The entire top is around the same length. Then we get to the very, very front here. You want to make sure that the length, this mannequin was a little bit shorter than I wanted to begin with right in the front. But as long as the length comes down to about right here, and depending on the size of your forehead, if you've got a really, really narrow forehead or short forehead, then you definitely want to make sure that it's not too long. But if your forehead is a bit higher up, the hair needs to be long enough for it to bring back and then come back down forward like this. And the entire top is layered. Very important to have the haircut layered. A lot of people ask, why doesn't my hair, keep its volume or keep its shape or whatever, or it flops down? it doesn't look right because this is all one length. It has to be layered, especially for this haircut. He's got a shorter haircut compared to most TikTokers that have like the really, really long mop top type haircut. So I made sure everything was blended, connected from the corners to at the top and the very, very front. The front needs to be the longest point out of the entire haircut. Then I went in and used my Tidal Wave Sea Salt Spray, which is my #1 selling product. I blow dried the hair with my 2-inch thermal ceramic round brush, and then I finish it off with my locked hairspray, which is a matte finish, medium hold, pliable hairspray. The entire thing is called my TikToker kit. It's on my YouTube channel, and you can definitely check it out to purchase it. And here is the finished result. Very exciting news. The app that I've been working on for quite some time is finally ready for you to download for free. And it's basically like Pinterest for hair, but it's called Rock Paper. All the links will be in the description below where you can download it on the App Store or Android. It's fully ready to go. What it is, it's a way to document and keep the haircuts that you like and that you want on your phone in the app. So you can literally have your stylist or your barber scan that app in or scan your kind of card, and they can get all the information, all the images that you have saved. You can search and browse through loads and loads of haircuts that are already on the app. You can save them to your phone, so you can say, I want my haircut like this. You can even make notes about what you want for your haircut, whether it's measurements or you didn't like this haircut last time or it's too short hair. It's literally like your own database of haircuts and your history and everything you like or don't like and who you went to, who you didn't go. All these things you can have all on your phone. It's ready to go. Rock Paper is the name of the app. I would appreciate all your support. Go download it for free and check it out. It's really, really cool. So let me know what you thought about the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.